Hi everybody, it's Slim from Lynn's Crafts Designs. I've got a demo today. I'm gonna demo these bookmark molds. Okay. Let's see. I think I'm gonna do them with the Resin Chameleon Powders. Okay. 10 colors. 10 bookmarks. That should work out well. Okay, so I'm going to dust each one with a different color mica, and then I'm going to pour black resin. Alright, so I'm going to get set up for that, and we'll be back. Okay, I've got my resin mixed up, and I've added literally just one drop of, this is the Alumilite black resin dye. I realize you cannot read that, but neither can I. So I've just poured a little bit off into a separate cup because I didn't want to color the whole thing black. Sorry about that. Okay. I cannot keep from getting that black dye on me no matter how hard I try, y'all. Still. Okay, now if you just pour these to where they're level up, they make pretty thick bookmarks. But that being said, this first round, I just want to try them out. So, I'm going to go ahead and fill them up. Now this cup has already been used. So I don't know how well it's going to pour. I did add a little bit of glitter, but you won't be able to see that. Okay. That took more than I expected. So I'm just going to go ahead and color. Probably should have just colored it in there. Okay, one drop. Now, I've had this resin dye for quite a few years, so it may be thicker than yours, or what you're using. Like I said, I doubt the glitter will show because this is quite an opaque. Then again, now that I've said that, okay, we'll just hold on to that then. Okay, so I'm just going to finish filling these up, and then I'll be back. Okay. Now, I did run a long neck ladder over the top of everything, just to pop the bubbles. I'm going to let these set till tomorrow morning, and I'll be back. Okay, demolding time, y'all. I apologize for my voice, because I don't know where it went this morning. Alright, let's see which ones we got here. Alright, this is the one. Sorry about that. This is the one that's got the blank one. We have to start this all over again, y'all. Alright, let's go. Speechless, y'all. Oh my goodness. I did not think you'd be able to see the glitter through there that easily. Wow. That's pretty. Okay. Okay. This one is the Shamrocks. Not as easy to demold as I thought they would be. Oh, okay. I'm sorry if y'all can't see these that well. Oh. So pretty. Now, of course, there are lots of options with this little one. You could take some oil paint pens, some like some Posca paint pens, and draw over these little details, and then they would show up a different color. Oh, I just love it. I'm sorry. Alright, so there's two. This one is the leaves. So pretty, y'all. And the one thing I'm gonna say, no air bubbles. No air bubbles. Crazy. And this one is the other one with leaves. Oh. Wow. Oh, first of all, I'm crazy for this color. Oh my goodness. Oh. Got a little blue overspill there. No, nope, no bubbles. I was gonna say there might be a bubble right there, but it's in the design. Wow. Pretty. This one is the squiggles one. I think this is the one that was the galaxy. Although I'm not completely sure about that. Really pretty. Okay, that's the first 5. Then we got this one, let's see. Dog paws and bones, hearts, and 2 crackle and a pebble. Alright, let's start with the crackle. Just to be dramatic. Okay, I may have been wrong. This one may be the galaxy. All of those other colors kind of rainbowy colors. Wow. I know I've said it 20 times if I've said it once. Wow. Okay, I'm super impressed. Super impressed with these molds. I mean, $2.49. And you're getting 5 molds. Crazy. Alright. I'll leave the links to everything down below in the description box. I have a 30% off coupon code for first time buyers. I have an affiliate link that I will just get a little recognition from. a little recognition from Temu, who may wish to cooperate with me again. Oh my goodness. Now, a little housekeeping again. I've opened up the super chat. I've put a link to buy me a coffee in the description box below. And now I have an Amazon wish list that you're welcome to go check out if you want. Besides my Amazon link to everything else. Alright, please like, share, and subscribe. Thank y'all so much for watching. And bye for now.